Right now, we're seeing an unusual spike in human rights sentiment, with a score of -0.60 and a momentum of +0.81. This negative sentiment is particularly concerning, especially given the historical baseline, where we typically observe more balanced views. Using our API, you can retrieve comprehensive sentiment data that includes semantic clusters, allowing you to understand the nuances of public opinion on human rights topics. Imagine you're building a monitoring tool for NGOs or activists. This API can help you identify emerging issues or shifts in public sentiment, enabling timely interventions. For more information on how to integrate this data into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.